Okay guys, so good morning sa inyo lahat. Nandito tayo ngayon sa 13 Martires, Cavite para sa grand opening ng Motorcycle City 13. So na-invite tayo rito kaya daanan natin. Welcome sa ating napadaan serye, J Motors TV here. Ride safe and God bless you all. Sa inyo lahat, J Motors TV, nandito tayo sa grand opening ng Motorcycle City 13 Martires, Cavite. Alright, so maya maya pasok tayo rito. Yun, kaway-kaway. Shout out sa ating mga tropa. Now I can feel her facing.
Shall direct thy path. Be not wise in their own eyes, fear the Lord, and depart from evil.
Papasok po. papasok po yung shower. Thank you. Then, after po, pasok na po tayo. Music, please.
Requesting everyone to please come with us as we shower the candies and the coins. May we request everyone to please settle down.
Guests who have been with us every step of the way. A warm welcome to the manufacturers and their representatives from Honda PH, Sir T.F. Esser, Yamaha PH, Sir Joseph Aquino, Kawasaki PH, Gio Pillas, Suzuki PH, Jeff Balagtas. Our financing partners from Sumisho, Sir Bon Mendrique, Area Head, Ms. Nympha Maramot, FOH, CSB, Raymond De Guzman, Area Head, SBF, Marvin Castrodes, Dealer Sales Officer, and CFFC, Sir Roderick Bayang, Sales Head.
That will be giving service to your needs. So let's start with their head or the branch supervisor. May I call on Mr. Jorvik Palmores, or we may also call him JV. JV with extensive experience in financing and motorcycle industry. Together with his energetic and customer-oriented staff, may I call on Mr. Erwin J. Panzuela and our sales personnel, Miss Rosemary De Jesus, Miss Maureen Diaz, ating punong kapala, Mr. John Arvel Lozano, and Mr. Johnson Gimpes, and our mechanic, Mr. Jerickson Lomaril. And once again, congratulations on your newly opened branch, Trece Martires Cavite. Aim high, MCians. We are born to ride. Together, we will grow. Thank you so much.
Of the top sales ko sa namin, sa Commonwealth branch. Hindi pa siya gano'n katagal sa Motorcycle City, pero yung kanyang...
You know? Go, Jerickson!
Go, Jerickson!
JP, sayo mo yan!
At 0427, a squad car got a call.
I got enemies, got a lot of enemies.
Pag-asa
So, thank you so much po sa ating mga financing and suppliers, Sir Ay. Pwede na po ulit tayo
Sure na medyo marami ng gutom na siguro yung mga riders natin kasi umikot, malayo. So, yun, no? So, before tayo mag-lunch, so I would like to read my closing
One armband from Honda and one t-shirt from Honda. And the winner